Hi, this is Victor from Q West. Today I'm going to show you one software which we started to use in our business. It was almost like 4 months before, and it is really very efficient. It really helped us to save a lot of time, and it helped us to improve our performance. So I decided to bring it up for you guys, so it can really help you for your business. If you have a business, if you don't have a business, you should start a business. So it is kind of a business management application. It is kind of a lot of features inside the one software, so you do not need to have like a different subscriptions for different softwares, and then you are paying for different recurring costs, and then at the same time you need to think about like how they are going to integrate with each other and how it is going to work. So it is a kind of a headache and at the same kind of mess. So this is what we wanted to get rid of. For that's the reason like we started to do some research and find out like which software is going to be helpful for us, and then finally we ended up on the Agiled, and then we started to use it. As usual, we was kind of like a bit scary, at least curious, like it is going to solve our problem. Is it going to just waste of our time? The time is the most important thing for us. But it was a very good experience. We are happy. So I created a demo account to show you like how it looks like from inside. So it is going to be helpful for you, and then it's all up to you if you decide to use this software, or if you just wanna to hold it on. It's all up to you. So it is let's go on their website. It's Agiled, and then let me show you quickly the website, like just like a landing page, and then we are going to dive in directly inside the application. So it is manage all your business at one place, exactly which I told you. You can do almost everything inside the software. This is how it looks like. I'm going to show you from inside. You are going to see live inside demo. But let's dive in. What's here? Okay, highly rated, top reviews. Okay, what's here? Deliver projects on time. If you know our business, if you are a customer, you know like we have very good communication with our customers, and at the same time we have a different products and services in our business. Like we have a management consultancy, we are working with a different web development projects, we are digital marketing, we are doing a lot of other projects as well. So it is very helpful for us to deliver projects on time, and at the same time have a very good communication with customers. So I'm not going to talk more detail about our products and services. You can go on our websites and check that out, but I'm going to show you more functions here. And then manage contacts and accounts, easy to use CRM. So you have a CRM inside this. If you have a sales executives, or if you have a sales team, they can like have a prospective list, and they can follow up with the customers, and even like your existing customers, like accounts. So you have everything inside the software, and there is no limit for how many contracts you have, depending on the plan you have. For example, they have a different prices here: solo plan, starter for small team, premium, and business. So it depends like which subscription package you are going to have. It depends also like how your business looks like. You can start maybe like if you have a small team, maybe like this package, and then you can scale it up. It depends like how many team members you have, so then you can scale it up. So prices even can change in the future, so I'm not sure, but I'm going to talk only about features, like how it can help you. If any application software can solve your problems, then I think price is not a big issue. Manage contacts, I talked about this, and then stay on top of your finances and get paid faster. Actually, we are sending our customers invoices through this software, and it is really very helpful for us. We can take everything within the software. So this is actually you can do also as well. You can even connect with the different applications. I'm going to show you inside. So I'm just like doing a kind of like a quick overview of the main page. So manage your employees. Actually, if you have employees, you can manage your employees inside the software, like their application, their like a sick leaves, their payments, like how much they have worked. Everything is inside the build. It's full-fledged employees software inside this application. Then time tracking, as I told you, if you have a kind of projects where you need to like take the time. You have everything built with inside this software. It is really very helpful when you are doing a project. Then create professional contracts. You can send invoices, and at the same time you can send proposals, and at the same time you can create contracts, and then you can send them for signatures. Everything is built inside, and you can actually integrate your email application, your SMTP inside this software, and then you can communicate with your customers like through emailing, and even you can integrate your chat application, and then you even can chat with the customers. I'm going to show you inside. So create professional proposals. I talked about this already. Manage tasks. You can like have inside this, you can like have a task board, and you can see like what you need to do and how you're going to when you need to get done different stuff. So this is really very helpful handy tool. Then start selling products online. You can even like sell inside this software online products. Honestly speaking, we are not using this feature because we have our websites doing a very good work for us, but you have the option to do this inside the software. So then insightful reporting, this is very helpful. It gives you the health of your business, so you can get reporting and see like how everything is performing and where you need to focus on. And then create public forms. You can create forms, and this is really very powerful tool. You know, all it's about contacts and all about like customer data, and you can create forms and you can integrate them, and you can get the desired response. Then onboarding clients with onboarding flow. This is also very powerful tool. Run your business on autopilot with workflow automations. This is really very good. So almost done. Let's dive in, because I don't want you to sit and watching this video. It's not an entertainment show. It's just like a quick overview, and I have a lot of work as well. So so here you actually when you buy this software, so here is going to be, you'll be inside the software, and then actually here is the up button here. So it's very good. You can see different categories: finances, projects, team, CRM, contracts, time tracking, and you have a very good dashboard here. If you click here, then you have a dashboard. And then you see everything is going to show here when you have a real data. It's, let's say I created demo account, so I don't want to show you our business insights. So this is how it's going to look like: your total clients, total project which you are working, your total teammates, 2 days attendance, unpaid invoices. Even you can customize this dashboard. If you go here, configure dashboard, and you have here all the details, like see here. So you can customize here which things you want to show up here on dashboard. So this is a very handy tool. Like you can see like how you want to have your dashboard. So let's dive in CRM. Here is a CRM, and in CRM you have accounts, contacts, and deals. Like very good segmentation. Let me show you from inside. So here you are going to have your accounts. If you are using any other kind of application or software or CRM, you actually can import from Excel, or even you can export if you later on want to export due to any reason, or I don't know, but we have not exported, but we have imported, because we was using 2 different CRMs before, and then now we have shifted everything inside the Agile. So we actually use this feature. So you can do this as well. I think most of the software which are out there, they are going to have this kind of feature, like you can export your data as kind of CSV file or at least Excel file. So it is this is very handy, most specifically when you are switching between different applications, because some applications do not work for some businesses. Actually, we have changed a lot of applications from last 1 year, and because we want to have a kind of mental peace. It's really like kind of headache when you are having a lot of applications and you are stuck kind of just like to managing these applications, instead of like focusing on your business, like focusing on customers, focusing on like product quality, focusing on like customer services, focusing on business finances, focusing on like implies like training and development. So so you don't have too much time. Most specifically, if you are a small business, then you don't want to stuck in a kind of stuff like you have a lot of applications. So that's the reason actually we come finally to with the Agile. So this is a kind of CRM. I showed accounts. Let's contacts. So here you are going to have your contacts like first name, last name, email, user role, account created at action, serial number, and then let's talk about the deals. And here you're going to have a deals. If you have a sales team, then it is going to be very handy tool for you, like they can follow up, they can close the sales. So you don't need a hybrid ultra CRM for only for sales. You can do everything inside the software. Then let's move on the HRM. Actually, I told you about like teams. You can have teams within this. Actually, most important, the good thing about this is cloud based. You do not need to actually download anything on your computer or on your servers. And at the same time, if you have a team like working remotely from different locations, as we have, because if you know, we have our office in Dallas, and at the same time we have office in Sweden. So it's kind of like very handy for us, like to collaborate with our teammates across different locations. So so you can have your teammates here. You can allocate different user roles, and then you can like integrate, communicate with them. Everything is very good functional. And then like their attendance, holidays, leaves, payroll, teammates, salary. If you have your accountants, they know these all stuff. So it is very handy. You can see everything inside this. I'm not going to go in detail in every stuff. If you have any kind of HRM software application in your business, you know what this is all about, and how much it costs you if you have a different any kind of HRM application, or if even you are using any other CRM which have these features. I don't think the other CMs have these kind of so detailed features. Actually, we had these features in another software which we was using, but that software was not so detailed and so good UI. I really like this Agile and how these functions are very handy for the businesses. So let's move on the projects. This is the most powerful tool, most specifically because this is how your business performs, and this is how you manage everything. Here you have a projects here. So here you can manage your projects. You can add projects, and then you can like client name, project status, and you have everything here. And here it's like even summary, like how many projects you are working on, and overdue, how much are overdue. It's kind of panic, maybe it's kind of stress how much you have are not getting done. Completed projects is kind of satisfaction. This is really good. On hold projects, like it's kind of a summary. This is really good. And then most specifically this task board I want to talk at this time. So this is really helpful. Like you can see visually, you can have like a task board, and you can add everything here. And here it's going to show even how many you have completed and how much incomplete. So it gives you a kind of a visual a task board which you can focus on. It's kind of like good for to get more focus and to speed up the things which you need to focus on. And then I want to talk about task calendar, and here you have a calendar. You know, the most important thing in projects is to get them on time and with a higher quality. So you can have everything within inside the software. So you can see like you can plan and you can integrate. So this is going to show your tasks and which are the due dates, and what are the deadlines, and what you need to when you need to finish your projects. It's really good. I really like this stuff because we was using a separate project application before, and then we have integrated this with our CRM. It was kind of mess kind of like a lot of applications. You need to jump one time at this application, the second time at this application. Okay, workflows. So here you can have a kind of automation for workflows. kind of slow system, like a browser, my internet. Okay, here you can have a workflows kind of automation, like it really helpful for to automate the things. And then other stuff is flows. It's taking more time than I expect, because I thought like I'm going to finish this video in less than 10 minutes, but I want to show you everything, like you have everything what you need. Okay, and then let's move in the finances. Here actually in finance you can have like your invoices, your payments, your expenses, your credit notes, subscriptions if you have any customer for subscriptions as we have. So you can manage everything within this. And here you see accounting coming soon, where it went. Okay, we was here in finance. Yes. The more I'm trying to finish it fast, the more slow it is going to become. Okay, we was in finance. So accounting, you see here accounting coming soon. Actually you are going to have your accounting inside this, but for now you can even integrate other accounting softwares. I'm going to show you in the integrations like how we did, so you can see like how it is going to work. But they are going to have accounting soon, so it would be very handy for you to have even accounting inside the software. So let's close the finance, and then let's move to the contracts. And here you have your contract type and contracts within the software. Imagine if you have 500 contracts here, your business would be very healthy. Okay, here you can have your contracts like a serial number, name, action, and then even the below was contracts here. Now it's I clicked on the same link again. So about to expire, like contracts which are going to expire, and how many total contracts you have, and let's close the chat here. So how many are expired? So you see everything here. It's really like kind of a little dashboard for contracts. Then let's move to the proposals. If you know, most specifically this is going to be very handy for your sales team. Like you can send proposals and they are going to be here, and then you can see like which client they have sent the proposals. And should I chat? No, I don't have a time. Okay, but this support team is really very helpful and handy. If you get stuck anywhere, you can really just like chat with them. You see like you can chat with them, and they are really helpful. They're going to help you to get started, and they very good like this and emails. So it's very good like kind of building the kind of customer relationship, and they really are helpful. So here you're going to have your proposals, clients, what are the valid, how long it is going to be valid, and what is the status. So it's really good for proposals. So you can see like when the proposal is ending, maybe like your sales team can make a follow-up and make at least a call, like how the customer is thinking, is there anything they need more information. So it is very good to it can increase your closing. So let's move down here. Let's talk timesheet. It's very handy, most specifically if you have projects where you need to track the time. So you have everything, you can track the time for your projects, and it's really very helpful. Most specifically if you are like charging to a customer based on time, then it's really very helpful inside the software. And then where we was in tickets, here actually you can have like a support, kind of like a customer services inside the software. You can whenever any customer send you an email, so they are going to have a tickets, and then you can see here on the dashboard how many total tickets you have for today, how many you have closed or solved, and how many are opens, and how many are resolved or pending. So it's very good. Actually you can integrate your SMTP with like your email application with the software Agile, and then you can like send emails through the software. Even you can chat from here, which is below here, like see here chat. So you can here chat with your customers. So no message from it's a dummy account. Okay, so here you're going to have your chat. If you have your customers, so they can like chat, and then you can see like here your chat message. So pretty much done. I just want to show you the integration, because this is going to be very kind of a curious thing for you, because you want to see like how your existing stuff is going to be integrated with the software, most specifically the accounting at this time, because they are working on the accounting. So we talked almost everything. The forms, let me show you this also. So here you can actually build your forms, and it's very easy, like just like to get embed code, and then you can just like put it on your website, and then if customers sign up, so your data is going to end up finally in the CRM. So this is very handy tool, forms. I guess you know like how to use them, how to customize them, and how to embed the code on website. If you don't know, hire us, we will do everything for you. So let's move down here, items. So this is what like sell online. So here you can have your items and prices, everything. So this is a kind of like you can sell everything inside the software. And then reports, and here you have like a report for finance report, income versus expenses, leave report, attendance report, task report, timesheet. See, like it's really very handy. Like it gives you kind of like a visual health of your business. You can get reports and see like which where you need to focus on more, and where you need to improve, maybe like to optimize your business strategy, or maybe like to prioritize a certain task, like to improve your performance. So this is really very handy to get the reports. And here you can like you can have your custom domain, you can update, and then you can have your company settings, chat setting, like how you want to chat with your customers. So here you can have like a low chat between client and admin, a low chat between client and teammates. So you can see manage your everything there. And then custom webhooks, a custom domain, and a custom SMTP. This is very handy, for example, if you want to connect with your email account, and then you can send emails from here. And then here is CRM settings, and here you can do some settings for your CRM. It's a very very good, but it's a lot of stuff. I just want to show you like integrations, and then we are done almost, because it's taking too much time. Let me go back. So so we were here in setting. Here are the integrations. Here integrations. Even you can have email templates here. If you want to send the emails to your customers, you can just like use the template, and then you can use. I just want to show you the integration, because this is very helpful. Most specifically, if you are using any kind of like a cold emailing platform, or if you most specifically like email accounting, then you can easily integrate. For example, here is a FreshBooks, and there below I am going to show you like QuickBooks, Zoho Books, and all stuff is here, which actually most people are using for payments, and other, like you can even use Integrately, Zapier here. So almost Intercom is here. So there are different live chat ports if you want to, depend which one you are using in your business. So you can actually integrate almost everything which most businesses are using. It is there, so you don't know, like Calendly, if you want to have to plan a meeting, Zoom, almost everything is here for you. If you want to integrate external applications, I guess you definitely are using some other applications as well, just like us. So it is very handy to to integrate them with this software. So this is pretty much done. I think I give you a very good overview. I don't want to go in all details because it's too much stuff. Most important stuff which you need to know, like the features and how you can integrate, I have showed you in detail, I guess, and I hope this video has helped you to decide like is this something for you. It's like all-in-one business management. Now you can manage your business efficiently and can get rid of headache, and at the same time get rid of a lot of other recurring costs, and have one platform, and then you can focus on your business. I hope this would be very helpful for you. I would highly recommend follow the link in the video in the description below. It is kind of you can say affiliate link. So this is actually we only bring for you the stuff which actually is going to be beneficial for you and which we have tried and used and it's proven. So it is very good application, so I would highly recommend to follow that link. Otherwise you don't watch my videos next time. I don't want to have viewers and subscribers who cannot follow the links. So so follow that link if you are going to buy that software now or even in future. So so this is all for now. I hope this is going to be very helpful. Most basically, like, it is going to be helpful for your efficient business management. So have a wonderful day.